Hi everyone, it's Vicky. So in this video I'm going to attach this to the spine. So that's that little card that I backed with some book paper, and that came on some shoes that I bought. It's like a little chain, but it's a ball chain and it's got this little clippy thing, and I thought that would be very cute. I don't often hang things off the back of my journals, so I just thought that'd be a fun different thing to try, and it is the right way. I did wonder afterwards if it was the right way. This was the ugly page. I might still do something here, but for now I have put a little tab there so you can see to open it, and then I've made like a little waterfall of scraps of paper. I chose them because of the colors, and that will be inside the book. And then on this one, this was the ugly page, there was some misprints. The spelling was wrong and they'd used the wrong words, and so I just glued a bit of paper over some of the words. That is a little place to tuck things. I haven't glued it down, I haven't sealed it, but I do need to find something to put in it. There's some book paper, some music paper, and some washi tape. So that's that one. This is one of those Tim Holtz ladders. So there were quite a few little pieces that I made that I could put into here, and that I'd done before. It's a napkin. This page I have glued that envelope tuck spot, and I've glued it there, and so that is a tuck spot and that is a tuck spot. The ticket page, I have put some tape there, and that's to reinforce it, so when I sew it into the spine it won't just fall apart. This page and this page, and there was something else. I've made these little flowers, so the other one is probably tucked away already somewhere. So you will see me making these flowers. I've used my cutting thing, and it was just a piece of peach colored card, and then I've used my distress ink in Festive Berries, which is this really bright color, and I've used distress ink in Vintage Photo, and I was trying to get close to that color. When I'd done it, I realized I needed something in the middle, so I've used some split pins, and you'll see how I managed to get those to work. And I've put some tape on the back so that if I put things in, it won't get caught. They are quite flat. And then this one, where'd my little scrap go? This one is a tuck spot. So that's the digital printable. So I think I've got three things going on with that one. This was a magazine page, and the back I wanted to cover up, so I've used a piece of paper from an old diary, and that's a little piece of envelope. That's a book page. That is some wallpaper. That's the printable, and that's also part of that printable kit, and I've just glued the three sides and made it a tuck spot for that postcard. And I've glued on some little strips of paper over whatever that word was. I probably will put something there and there, but I wanted to pull out my typewriter, so I'll do that another day. And finally, I wanted to just show you these. These are pressed flowers, so that is, see if I can do it against a light color background. So I've got some pressed flowers there from my garden. Those are violas, and I got the petal, the leaves as well. And then this was a rose. I scorched it a bit, so I did it in the microwave. I learned how to do this years ago, but I did go on Google just to check my timing, and this one I did for too long. So you get a piece of parchment paper or greaseproof paper, or just something so that your flowers don't stick to the card, and you put your fresh flowers in there. Then you put that between two pieces of card, and you can see I'm using corrugated card. You hold it all together with an elastic. I had two. And you microwave it for 30 seconds. And I did these ones for 30 seconds, and then I stopped and I did them for another 30 seconds. And I did this one for 30 seconds, and there was two, and the one came out that looked like charcoal, and then this one was the better of the two. But I don't know if you can see, it actually cracked when I put it through the laminator. The leaves cracked. It's not going to be a problem. I'm still going to be able to use it, but I love these quick techniques that you can use to make things like dried flowers, and they don't lose their color. So if you dry it between books, you run the risk of losing the color. And I just want to show you on that page that I've got, that's an envelope. Let's see where that one's gone. So this page here, not sure if they might not be big enough now. I think I might actually just, because I might need to make a bigger piece, but what I would do is I would attach that in there so it would be like a floating flower. Let me see if I can make it work. I like to attach these with double-sided tape, because it does seem to be the only way that those laminated sheets actually adhere to anything. So after all that, I've got my little window page. It was a bit more fiddly than I planned. I should have just made it on a bigger piece of laminate paper, but how lovely is that? So I've got 2 more to use in this journal, and I do love this. I think it's such a nice element. So I've got 2 more, and I will do those at some point. And now I'm going to put the footage on from earlier today where I did all the other things, and you can enjoy watching it. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye.